about an 80s classic here at Unique, especially in classics? 1986 Buick Century Limited. Now, this is a low mile car, 35,000, just slightly over 35,000 original miles. And being the Limited, like everybody wanted back in the day, you had a little larger engine and a smaller car, being the Century. This does have the 3.8 liter sequential fuel injected V6 underneath the hood. Very reliable engine that is, paired up with an automatic transmission. Again, 35,000 original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. This is actually be the 5th generation Century to come along. Now, if you want to check out still pictures, you can see the engine bay, the underside. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Considering the age of this vehicle and it being black paint, paint is in nice shape. I mean, as with any black vehicle, you're going to see some light scratches or maybe a little chip or ding along the way, but overall you can see nice luster of the paint, great reflection. You can see the roof of the building. So paint does show nice. I did notice one little chip down here in the blinker where the plastic is chipped away there. Could use a new lens cover. Wanted to point that out, nothing too major. Take a look up and down the side of this car too. You can tell it's straight. It doesn't have any bubbling that I've noticed as far as rust or anything coming through. Doesn't look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather actually at all. In the trunk there is some paperwork as far as, let's say, like owner's manual, actual service manual, and then while I'm thinking about it, those wheel covers, there is a socket for unlocking those if you want to take those off when you rotate tires or what have you. That is also in the trunk. Cloth interior, split bench seat, power on the driver's side. As you can see, the top of the dash also in nice shape. Headliner's in good shape on this one. Has the Design Classic partial vinyl roof added to the rear of this one. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the underside, very clean car also. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down this driver's side. And again, you can see the reflection coming off the paint, again, all the way to the front doors. So paint does show nice. Pinstriping breaking up just a tad, just due to a little age up in that area. But again, you can see up and down the driver's side, it's not bubbling or rusting, full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Looking good there. Go ahead and check out this interior. We'll start it up, check out the engine bay. One thing I did notice, it will need a prop rod. I do have one here that I'll use temporarily to hold the hood up, but we'll pop that up and I'll show you. All right, so we have power steering, power brakes, AC. We also have power windows, power locks. And that power seat I mentioned here. I do have pictures of the carpet underneath the floor mats. I just put the floor mats back in for when we go to do the video. And it's tough with this burgundy interior. If you've seen me do these videos before, when I get up on top of it, it wants to wash out. If I step back here, right there gives you a true idea of the burgundy colored interior. Maple, I believe it may have been considered back in '86. All right, there's your exact miles, 35,131. And again, that is original miles on this one. This car's been in our area pretty much its entire life. Knowing history of it. All right, the door closed, the warning chime stops. As you can see, gas gauge, voltmeter work, temperature gauge will come up with engine temperature. Let's play around with the radio here just a little bit. Power button. And radio works. Power antenna, as you can see, is going up. That also works. You have the map light, rear to fog switches here. Map light works. You can see that. Again, rear defrost. Alright, we'll check out that dash. Let's take a look at that again. So it's not cracked, checking. Does not appear that this car has been out in the sun, anything like that, stored indoors. Let's slip around to the back. I'm going to pop the hood, check out under the engine, or under the hood, engine bay. Again, 3.8 liter sequential fuel injected V6. Sounds as you would expect. Stock V6 to sound. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay. But that's going to look just as stock as the rest of this car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Have the hood popped again. Going to need a prop rod. That one not included in the sale. That's one I need around here doing the video, so I just want to give you the heads up on that. Now, we were playing around in the interior as far as that map light, radio and stuff. AC also blows cold. Forgot to tell you that when we were inside there. AC does blow cold. And again, nice tidy engine bay, 3.8 liter. Good rock, reliable engine. Smooth runner. So there you go. If you're looking for an 80s classic, don't see these every day. 1986 Buick Century Limited. Nice looking two-door. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.